Pharma is exempt from liability for damages caused by coronavirus vaccine.
Various scientists around the world are rushing to develop a vaccine against the coronavirus. The pharmaceutical company that succeeds in being the first to bring a vaccine to the market has high prospects of making a huge financial profit. However, there are leading vaccination advocates in the USA, such as Paul Offit, vaccine manufacturer and physician, and Peter J. Hottes, pediatrician, scientist and vaccination researcher, who strongly warn of the extraordinary frightening dangers associated with the development or production of a coronavirus vaccine. Why is that? Employees of the Children's Health Defense, an organization in the USA that is dedicated to the health of people worldwide, have addressed this issue and made the following public statement on April 11, 2020.
Why are the world's top vaccine promoters like Paul Offit and Peter Hottes frantically warning us about the unique and frightening dangers inherent in developing a coronavirus vaccine? Scientists first attempted to develop coronavirus vaccines after China's 2002 SARS-CoV outbreak. Teams of US and foreign scientists vaccinated animals with the 4 most promising vaccines. At first, the experiment seemed successful as all the animals developed a robust antibody response to the coronavirus. However, when the scientists exposed the vaccinated animals to the wild virus, the results were horrifying. Vaccinated animals suffered hyperimmune responses, including inflammation throughout their bodies, especially in their lungs. Researchers had seen this same so-called enhanced immune response during human testing of the failed RSV vaccine tests in the 1960s. 2 children died in these tests. Offit, Hottes, and even Anthony Fauci, in an unguarded moment, warn that any new coronavirus vaccine could trigger lethal immune reactions, so-called vaccine enhancement, when vaccinated people come in contact with the wild virus. Instead of proceeding with caution, Fauci has made the reckless choice to fast-track vaccines, partially funded by Bill Gates, without critical animal studies before moving into human clinical trials that could provide early warning of a runaway immune response. Bill Gates is so worried about the danger of adverse events that he says vaccines shouldn't be distributed until governments agree to indemnity against lawsuits. On February the 4th, 2020, according to the Centers for Disease Control website, there were only 11 active coronavirus cases in the United States of America. Yet, on this February the 4th, 2020, the US quietly pushed through federal regulations giving coronavirus vaccine makers full immunity from liability.
So much for the eye-catching opinion of Children's Health Defense. Even before the coronavirus vaccine is launched, it is clear that vaccine manufacturers in the USA do not have to be liable for possible damage caused by vaccination. Who really has the power to enforce federal regulations in the USA, moreover in expedited and tacit proceedings? In any case, one thing is certain, the winner is once again the pharmaceutical industry, which puts profit before the health protection of the population. Distribute this program and help to inform people about the possible side effects of a coronavirus vaccine.